Hello knitting friends, and welcome back to Knit the Stitch. Today I have this raised cable design for you. It's a very textured pattern as the cables make these bumps which stand right out on the fabric. Each cable column is 6 stitches wide and separated by 2 reverse stocking stitches. So the pattern is knit over multiples of 8 stitches with 2 extra stitches. This swatch here is 5 columns and so 5 repeats of the cables going across. I'll put all the pattern details down in the description box below for you, so you'll find everything there, and please subscribe, it's free and means you won't miss out on any of my other videos. I've knit this smaller example here, which is just 2 multiples of 8, which is 16 plus the 2 extra edge stitches making 18, and I've already knit 16 rows of the pattern repeat, so that's 2 pattern repeats, so you can see how it's coming along. The design is knit over just an 8-row repeat, and it only uses your basic knit and purl stitches along with the cable cross, which is worked all on row 7 of the pattern. You will need 2 cable needles for this. I have 2 different coloured cable needles here, so hopefully you can see how I'm making the cross effect easily. Row 1, right side, purl the first 2 edge stitches. Then knit the next 6 stitches. Purl the 2 stitches which are between the cable columns, and then knit the next 6. Purl the last 2 edge stitches. Row 2 with the wrong side facing, knit the first 2 edge stitches, purl 6, knit 2, purl the next 6 stitches, and knit the last 2 edge stitches. We repeat rows 1 and 2 twice more, so that will be a total of 6 rows. I'll go ahead and knit them and join you ready for the cable row. Row 7, right side facing. Purl the first 2 edge stitches, then place the next 2 stitches onto a cable needle and hold that at the back of the work. Place the next 2 stitches onto a second cable needle and hold that at the front. Organise the needles and knit the next 2 stitches. Taking hold of the front cable needle, knit those 2 stitches. And then knit the 2 stitches from the back cable needle. Purl the next 2 stitches between the cables. So the next 2 stitches go onto a cable needle and we hold those at the back. And the next 2 and the next 2 stitches I'll hold at the front. Knit 2 from the left hand needle, knit the 2 from the front cable needle, and knit the 2 stitches from the back cable needle. This can all be a little bit tricky to keep hold of. And purl the last 2 stitches. Row 8. Row 8 is the final row of the pattern repeat. Knit the first 2 edge stitches, purl 6. Now we're purling across the back of the crossed cables. Knit 2. Knit the next 6 across the back of the cables. And knit the final 2 stitches. And that's all there is to this crossed cable pattern. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful. Thank you for watching, and until next time, enjoy knitting all your stitches.